Discover the most groundbreaking and futuristic gadgets of 2025 in this ultimate tech roundup. From Nightride 360 to CyberDog 2, explore innovations like SoundCam, Hypnap TruRest, and more shaping the future. BrainBit Headband. Unlock your brain's full potential. The BrainBit Headband is your personal gateway to understanding your brain like never before. This sleek, wearable EEG device provides real-time insights into your cognitive state. Whether you're aiming for laser-sharp focus, seeking relaxation, or managing stress, the BrainBit Headband is here to help. Simply put on the lightweight headband, and its integrated sensors will monitor your brain activity. Through a companion smartphone app or software platform, you'll receive valuable data. This allows you to track your progress and understand how your brain is performing in real time. Whether you're meditating, studying, or working on a challenging task, the BrainBit Headband helps you optimize your mental performance. It allows you to focus better, relax faster, and reduce stress more effectively. Join the revolution in personal cognitive enhancement with the BrainBit Headband. Your journey to unlocking your full potential starts with understanding your mind. Fake fingerprints. Biometric security systems are designed to identify individuals based on unique physical traits. But what if you could bypass them? That's where fake fingerprints come in. These are artificial prints designed to mimic genuine ones with incredible precision. They can fool even the most sophisticated fingerprint scanners. Why would someone use them? Fake fingerprints allow users to avoid identification, keeping their true identity hidden. This is especially useful for those needing to maintain anonymity. In covert operations, for example, having the ability to bypass biometric security is a huge advantage. These counterfeit fingerprints can help operatives infiltrate secure areas without raising suspicion. They leave little to no evidence, making detection much harder. While primarily used in espionage, fake fingerprints highlight a major shift in security technology. As biometric systems become more advanced, so do the tools to bypass them. This gadget is a prime example of how technology evolves in the world of covert activities. In espionage, maintaining anonymity is key. Fake fingerprints help ensure that operatives can stay under the radar, making strategic moves with minimal risk of being caught. In this complex landscape, advanced tools like this are essential for success. Hypnap TruRest. The Hypnap TruRest is an innovative travel accessory designed to improve your sleep and relaxation while you're on the go. Developed with input from medical professionals and backed by research, this product offers a solution for better rest during travel. Its ergonomic design helps you maintain a natural, forward-leaning position. This position improves your breathing, reduces muscle tension, and helps ease anxiety. All of these factors contribute to a deeper, more restful sleep. What's great about the Hypnap TruRest is that it's highly adjustable. This means it can be customized to fit different body types, ensuring maximum comfort for every traveler. Despite its powerful benefits, it weighs only 18 ounces and folds down to the size of an iPad. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry, whether you're flying, driving, or taking a train. The Hypnap TruRest is the perfect companion for long trips. It's designed to make sure you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed, no matter how long or uncomfortable the journey might be. Nightride 360. The Nightride 360 is a powerful, vehicle-mounted thermal camera. It's designed to help drivers, hunters, and security personnel see better at night. With this device, you can enhance your nighttime visibility like never before. The Nightride 360 features a high-resolution thermal sensor. This sensor allows you to detect objects in total darkness. You'll be able to spot animals, pedestrians, and obstacles that would normally be invisible at night. One of the standout features is its 360-degree pan and tilt. You can control the camera remotely, giving you full coverage around your vehicle. This makes it ideal for various situations, whether you're out hunting or keeping watch for security purposes. The device connects directly to an Android device. It provides real-time thermal imagery, so you can see what's in front of you instantly. You can even record the footage for later use. This is especially useful for security teams or hunters who need to keep track of their surroundings. The Nightride 360 is built to last. Its rugged design makes it durable in all kinds of weather conditions. Whether it's raining or snowing, this camera will keep working, ensuring you get the best performance in any environment. Priced at $1,395, the Nightride 360 is an affordable solution for anyone who needs advanced night vision capabilities. Whether you're in a vehicle or on foot, it will give you the edge you need to stay safe and aware. XGO-Rider, the future of robotics. Meet the XGO-Rider, the world's first desktop wheel-legged robot. It combines the speed and flexibility of wheels with the adaptability of legs. This robot isn't just about movement, it's packed with powerful AI features. It can recognize gestures, detect faces, and even track skeletons. The XGO-Rider lets you interact using both image and voice commands. It's driven by the Raspberry Pi CM4 core module, giving it a solid and reliable performance. You can program it using Blocky or Python, making it a perfect tool for learning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, the XGO-Rider offers endless possibilities. Compact, stable, and versatile, this robot is designed for both fun and education. It's more than just a machine, it's an innovative companion. With the XGO-Rider, you're not just learning about robotics. You're engaging with it in an interactive and meaningful way. The future of personal robotics is here, and it's called the XGO-Rider. Tactical Clock. The tactical clock is a game-changer for home defense. It combines practicality with stealth, giving you an edge in protecting your home. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary clock, but it hides a clever secret. With a simple push, a hidden compartment drops down, giving you fast access to your firearm. Inside, there's a high-density foam lining. This keeps your handgun safe and secure while remaining out of sight. No one will know it's there unless you need it. The tactical clock doesn't just look good, it works perfectly. Thanks to its RFID locking system, you don't need to deal with keys or combinations. It unlocks instantly, allowing you to act in seconds. When placed strategically in your home, it's more than just a clock. It's an essential tool for keeping your family safe, without compromising on style. For any responsible gun owner, the tactical clock is a must-have. It's the perfect combination of protection and design, ensuring you're always ready when it counts. CyberDog 2. The next step in bio-inspired robotics. Xiaomi's CyberDog 2 is here, and it's smarter than ever. This second-generation robotic dog combines cutting-edge AI with a more compact and realistic design. Weighing just 8.9 kilograms and standing 36.7 centimeters tall, the CyberDog 2 is designed to be both a research platform and a robotic pet. It can walk, dance, and even change color. All of this is made possible by a special body scan feature. What makes the CyberDog 2 stand out is its learning abilities. Powered by Xiaomi's AI reinforcement learning platform, the CyberDog 2 can learn new skills over time. Each movement is trained by over 30,000 AI dogs, allowing it to move naturally and lifelike. The CyberDog 2 is a true representation of how far bio-inspired robotics have come. With this robot, Xiaomi is pushing the boundaries of AI, making it smarter and more interactive. Welcome to the future of connectivity with the CyberDog 2. Deep Sentinel DS2. The Deep Sentinel DS2 is an impressive security system. It improves on the previous model with several key upgrades. First, the DS2 offers a wider 130-degree field of view. This allows it to cover more area, ensuring better coverage for your home or business. Night vision has also been improved. The DS2 now features an integrated LED floodlight, which helps capture clearer footage even in low-light conditions. You'll get full HD resolution, so the video is sharper and more detailed. This is important for identifying people and objects clearly. Another great update is the new design. The DS2 includes a USB port for continuous power. This means you can connect solar panels or other power sources, making it more flexible for different setups. The upgraded hub is another key improvement. It now comes with a powerful NXP ARM Cortex-A53 processor. This processor enhances the system's AI, making threat detection faster and more accurate. It helps the system identify potential risks in real time. While the design is sleek and modern, it still offers the same award-winning live monitoring service that Deep Sentinel is known for. This ensures you have a reliable and robust security system. In summary, the DS2 combines advanced features and smart technology to meet modern security needs, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to protect their home or business. Moonwalkers Aero. The Moonwalkers Aero is a game-changer in personal mobility. These all-terrain electric shoes combine style with functionality. With their unique 8-wheel design, they offer a smooth walking experience on all kinds of surfaces. Thanks to eye-powered adaptability, the Moonwalkers Aero glide effortlessly over cracks, bumps, and slopes. The shoes are equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor and a torque of 10 Nm, making it easy to tackle tough terrain. Despite their power, the shoes are lightweight and durable. They're made from automotive-grade aluminum, which protects the battery pack during rugged adventures. When it comes to charging, it's quick and easy. You can charge the Moonwalkers Aero up to 60% in just 30 minutes with a USB-C connection, adding extra convenience for users on the go. In 2023, Time magazine named the Moonwalkers Aero one of the best inventions of the year. They redefined personal mobility by combining innovative design with incredible performance. Fullingway Water Purification System. Are you tired of worrying about clean drinking water while camping, hiking, or traveling? Meet the Fullingway Water Purification System, your reliable companion for safe and clean water, no matter where you are. This innovative system is designed with portability and convenience in mind. Its compact build makes it easy to carry in your backpack, suitcase, or emergency kit. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or facing an unexpected water crisis, Fullingway has you covered. So, how does it work? The system uses a powerful combination of ceramic, carbon, and membrane filters. Together, they can remove up to 99.99% of contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals. This means you can trust every drop of water you drink. One of its standout features is its impressive capacity. The Fullingway Water Purification System can filter up to 1,000 liters of water before needing replacement. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use and maintain, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced outdoor enthusiasts. But here's the best part, it's also affordable and cost-effective. Instead of spending money on bottled water or complicated purification devices, you get a reliable, long-lasting solution. Whether you're an avid camper, a world traveler, or just someone who values preparedness, the Fullingway Water Purification System is a must-have. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and enjoy every adventure with peace of mind. Get yours today and experience clean water wherever life takes you. SoundCam. The SoundCam changes the game in audio surveillance. It combines advanced technology with ease of use, making it accessible and affordable. The device is designed to be as simple to use as a smartphone. It offers real-time sound source localization. This means it can immediately show you where a sound is coming from. This feature greatly improves your situational awareness. SoundCam also simplifies sound analysis. It takes complex audio data and turns it into visual patterns. This makes it easier to understand what's happening. Equipped with 64 microphones and an optical camera, SoundCam captures high-resolution results. It processes this data quickly, giving you accurate information in a fraction of a second. This tool is especially valuable in espionage and security operations. In these fields, quick and reliable information is crucial. The SoundCam bridges the gap between hearing and seeing. It makes sound imaging and analysis faster and more efficient. This innovation sets a new standard in audio surveillance. Dnsys X1 Exoskeleton. A new era in walking, hiking, and running. The Dnsys X1 is an exoskeleton designed to help with walking, hiking, and running. Its goal is to provide powered support to the user's legs, making physical activities easier. Weighing around 3.7 pounds, it's lightweight enough for most people to use without feeling weighed down. The exoskeleton features a waist-mounted belt and thigh straps, which house electric motors. These motors work in sync with the user's natural walking pattern, thanks to AI algorithms that adjust to your movements. By providing this powered assistance, the X1 helps reduce muscle strain and fatigue. This could make strenuous activities, like hiking, feel less challenging and more manageable. The Dnsys X1 has several modes to cater to different needs. There's an assist mode for extra support, which is perfect for reducing strain during regular walking or hiking. It also offers a resistance mode, ideal for those looking to work out harder and build strength. While the exoskeleton shows a lot of potential, some users have mentioned that it may not dramatically boost performance for healthy individuals. However, it can be extremely helpful for people who need extra support for walking or moving due to medical conditions or mobility issues. Thermacell LIV. The Thermacell LIV is a key part of the LIVV Smart Mosquito Repellent System. It is designed to keep mosquitoes away, making outdoor spaces more comfortable. At the heart of the system is the hub. This device connects to up to 5 LIVV repellers, providing them with power through low-voltage cables. These repellers then create zones of mosquito protection. The hub also connects to Wi-Fi, giving you control from anywhere using the LIVV Plus app on your smartphone. With the app, you can turn the repellers on or off, set schedules, and even get alerts when the repellent is running low. For those with multiple repellers, you can control them individually or group them into zones. This allows you to personalize your protection. Thermacell LIV offers a simple and convenient solution, replacing messy sprays. With just a few taps on your phone, you can control the system. The proven repellent technology ensures your outdoor space remains comfortable. You can customize your experience with flexible scheduling, zone control, and the ability to expand your coverage. The hub's sleek, weatherproof design blends seamlessly with your outdoor decor. It also has a few extra features, such as compatibility with voice control devices, LED indicators to show system status and repellent levels, and it can be wall-mounted for easy installation. With Thermacell LIV, enjoy a mosquito-free outdoor experience with minimal effort.